West Bengal Assembly resolution hails Army, but skips Operation Sindoor meant Iona resolution was tabled in West Bengal Assembly on Tuesday, hailing the Indian Army for Operation Sindoor, but the draft did not mention the name of the operation. This House commends the coordinated efforts of the different wings of the Indian Armed Forces in targeting with absolute precision and destroying major terrorist infrastructures in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir Pak and places on record its gratitude and appreciation for their relentless efforts in protecting the pride and dignity of the nation, the resolution says. This House also commends the people of the country and especially of Jammu and Kashmir for their extraordinary display of unity, compassion, and resilience in the aftermath of the attack, the resolution says. This House also commends the people of the country and especially of Jammu and Kashmir for their extraordinary display of unity, compassion, and resilience in the aftermath of the attack. It adds. The resolution was tabled in the Assembly today, following which a discussion on the same was underway. The resolution will be passed by the Assembly after the discussion. Nanan Bharatiya Janata Party questioned why the name of the operation was missing in the resolution. BJP MLA Agnimitra Pal said, "I'm surprised to see that here in this resolution, Operation Sindoor's name is nowhere. Is this not wrong? Is this to satisfy one community? Why is PM Narendra Modi's name not there in the resolution?" Leader of the opposition in West Bengal Assembly Suvendu Adhikari also questioned why Operation Sindoor was not named in the resolution. Swipe left for next video. This is not the first time that the Mamata Banerjee government has downplayed Operation Sindoor, India's precision strikes on terror sites in Pakistan. Last month, Banerjee had dismissed the military operation, questioning its name, launching personal attacks on the PM Narendra Modi, and accusing him of indulging in war marketing. Banerjee had accused PM Modi of resorting to the business of Sindoor, referencing India's Operation Sindoor against terror sites in Pakistan. TMC MLA Narendranath Chakraborty had also sparked a row by calling India's Operation Sindoor against terror infrastructure in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir nothing but a scripted drama, drawing the BJP's ire. Latest blogs.